What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? I love that one. Okay, I love Spider-Man too. Spider-Man is very favorite to me.
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome to SpeakUp. Today I'll ask some common question and he'll answer all those common questions. So let's get started. Hey, can you say something?
Yes. Hi, my name is Zohan. I'm student of Cox's International School.
Alright, I know your school. Your school is so beautiful, right?
Yes.
So I'll ask you some common questions.
Yes.
Will you answer all those questions?
Yes.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father is a journalist.
Where?
Show me TV?
Oh, this is so famous, right?
Yes.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Alright. So say something about your hobbies. What's your hobby?
My hobby is swimming.
Swimming?
Yes.
You like swimming?
Yes.
Good job. I like too. Alright. So what's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a doctor.
Doctor?
Yes.
Why do you want to be doctor?
Because I want to help the poor people.
Okay, will you help me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So let's talk about your sister. Do you have sister?
Yes.
Okay. One sister?
Yes.
Okay, tell me name.
Jafra.
Ah, this is so beautiful name.
Yes.
I love that. Okay.
Yes.
So do you like your school?
Yes.
Okay. So when do you go to school?
I go to school at 8:30 a.m.
I am. Good job. And also I go to my college that time. So tell me, what do you do in the evening?
I play with my sister.
Okay, where? In your home or in outside?
Home.
Home, right?
Yes.
Good job. Good job. So what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black and white.
Black and white?
Yes.
Me too. Look.
Yeah. Yes.
I like white and black all the time. Okay, so tell me something more. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? I love that one. Okay, I love Spider-Man too.
Yes.
Spider-Man is very favorite to me.
Yes.
Okay, so do you like animation movies?
Yes.
Okay, tell me one.
Frozen.
Frozen?
Yeah.
It's my favorite too. Good job. I love that. Okay, do you like SpeakUp?
Yes.
Do you like me?
Yes.
Why?
You're very handsome.
Okay, I don't know that. Thank you. Okay, so say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.